In this video, I will show you how to create a QR code for a website in Canva. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to get started, what you want to do is come across to Canva and log into your account. Then if you come over to the left hand side, you want to click onto the create button just up here. And what you want to do is select logo from the list here. If you don't see logo come up, just use the search box at the top, type logo, and you should see logo come up 500 by 500 pixels. Give that a click and that's going to open up your template ready to go. Now once you've got this opened, come over to the left hand side and what you want to do is look for apps. It's down towards the bottom, so you might just need to scroll down a bit. Select apps from here. And what you want to do is use the search tool at the top and type QR code. Now, once you've done that, you're going to see a ton of different QR code apps come up. But all you want to do is select the top one, QR code here, give it a click, and that's going to take you to a screen like this. All you need to do is come and click onto open at the bottom, and we are now ready to go. So all you need to do at this point is enter your URL, so your web address, into the box here. In this example, I'm just going to go ahead and use my YouTube channel web address. So let's paste that into here. And once that's done, you're going to see the purple generate code button. You can further customize this. So if you click onto this, you can change things like the background and foreground color. But I'm just going to keep this as is and then click the purple generate code button. You'll see instantly we have our QR code ready to go. So what I can now do is resize this. So I can just click, hold down my left mouse button and drag the corners out to make this bigger and fit the logo. And once I'm happy, all you need to do is come up to the top right hand corner, click onto share, click the download button and make sure it's selected to PNG and then click onto download. Here we are back on my desktop. As you can see, I've downloaded my QR code and here it is. It looks really good and this is now ready to use and send to people which they can scan to access my website. So that is how to create a QR code for a website in Canva. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.